You need a system in place for makeup. I've been to some of the largest TV networks in the world and they didn't give me any makeup. They were busy. I was in a satellite room. I've been to small TV, little stations in small towns, and they had great makeup for me. You just never really know. Here's the one thing I do know. Nobody really cares about you looking your best as much as you. It's not in anybody's interest for you to look your best as much as it is for you to look in your best. So you need to be responsible. Do what I do. I just take a little makeup kit. It's black. It doesn't distract at all. And it has what I need: the powder, the foundation, a brush, and a little powder for my eyebrows. And that way, if the TV network, TV station doesn't have it, I just excuse myself to the men's room, put it on myself. Now, the thing with makeup for men is it shouldn't be heavy. No one should notice it. I have makeup on right now. If I walk outside and talk to someone in the hallway or on the street, no one would notice. So it's not clown time. You're not getting yourself all made up in a way that's noticeable. It's a subtle thing, but it will make you look your best.